Bhaya Halong Cruises. 5 stars. Bhaya Cruises feature Oriental-style luxury cruise ships in Halong Bay. It has air-conditioned cabin rooms and a restaurant. Bhaya offers a variety of onboard activities, such as Vietnamese cooking classes. Comfortable room, good food, friendly staff. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. The crew were amazing. The Bhaya has exclusive rights to some areas in the Halong Bay and it really enhances the experience. Crew were very enthusiastic and friendly, food was excellent and the whole cruise was enjoyable. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.